guys! Welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm your Wonder Mom, Maika. Napapanahon to ngayon and you know, alam nyo na, health is wealth. So, I just want to share. Ito yung pinapainom ko sa mga anak ko, sa family ko, every day. Because based on my own experience as a mother, we should give an extra protection to our children. And I will tell you guys, this recipe is so amazing. Especially for the cough, cold, and even if they have a fever. So I just gave this 3 times a day, 15 ml, 3 times a day. This is the ingredients, guys. Lemon, ginger, garlic, honey, and of course, water. So, we know these 5 main ingredients, they have an extraordinary nutrients that we can get. So, what we will do now is we will cut only the garlic and the onion and this lemon. This is clean already. So, you will chop this like this. Oh my God. Ang purol pa ng kutsilyo ko. Kakaloka. So, ganyan lang. So, malinis na siya. Much better kung itong lemon na to, nababad ko na siya sa baking soda before. Kanina. So, much better you will put in the water with the baking soda for 30 minutes bago mo siya hiwain. So, kinuha ko na to guys. You know, here in the Philippines, the lemon is so expensive. So, pinakita ko lang and then ginayat ko na rin. Unlike this, to na okay lang. Gigil kasi. Okay. So, like this. Yan, tapin muna natin. So, get casserole. Put mo lang siya. Mix nyo lang together. Madali lang. Parang nagluluto lang din ng itlog. So, and put the water. I think this is 1 liter. Itong buo na to. So, ilalagay nyo lang siya ng ganyan. Mix together. Like that. So, ayan na guys. It's ready. So, pakukuluan nyo lang siya. So, look at this. You will mix lang. Mix that all. And then, for me, pakukuluan mo lang siya, just boil it for 1 hour. In a very minimal na ng apoy. And after 1 hour, so kukunin natin yung katas niya. So, ganito guys yan. Ganito ang magiging kinalabasan. So, kukunti na to ngayon, kaya nagluluto na ulit ako for the kids and for us also. So, pwede mo siyang pakuluan ulit, and then salain, then put it in the fridge. And once you will take, just put honey, especially for the kids. So, my kids is drinking this every day. I have 19 years old, and I have 3 kids, 19 years old, 7 years old, and 3 years old. Would you believe my 3 years old daughter, she's drinking this also. So, even though we don't have a crisis, this is our daily routine na para sa protection. Kasi, especially for the cough and cold. So, ayun guys. I hope this recipe can help your family also, same like mine. Kasi matagal na po namin siyang ginagawa. So, alam mo naman, health is wealth. And napapanahon in our this time that we have a crisis. So, God bless us all and keep safe. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you and see you on my next video, guys.